Hello ladies and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58. I am Faith and today I have another wig review for you. This one is the bobbiboss wig called Milo, and I have Milo in the color TTL1B Rdbg, which I think means red burgundy. I didn't want to get her in the white, and I'm going to tell you why. The reason why I didn't get her in the white is if you notice that she's dark rooted, and one of you actually said something to me that made perfect sense. You said, when my gray comes in, it doesn't come in with black roots, it comes in with white roots. And I said, yeah. So it definitely wouldn't be dark rooted if you have white hair. It would actually be white rooted all the way. So yeah, so enough of that, right? So yeah, so I didn't get that one, but I did get this red burgundy. This is another one of those HD Ultra Scalp Illusion wigs, and of course you know I took the scalp out. This wig is a 13 by 5. It's got one of those MetaFresh caps, so let me just show you real quick. Here is the wig. Yep, there she is. And she's got this red burgundy color, mostly at the bottom. The rest of it is, I guess, a 1B. And you'll notice that the lace is tinted, and I did do that. And I'm going to show you some video of what I did to it, because this particular wig has had black knots after I took off the faux scalp. So let me show you the video of what I did, and I'm going to show you the product first that I used. This product is called Wig Knot Healer, and this Wig Knot Healer I actually got from Walmart. It is in the color LTS01 and it's light brown, and it has the cream at the top, which is covered by this little silver thing, and then it has a brush at the bottom that you can use. And so let me show you the video of how I used it. Okay ladies, all I'm doing here is I'm showing you how I put this knot healer on here. It comes on a little thick, so as you're going to see in a minute, you're going to really need to use that brush. The brush is really good because it kind of spreads it out, because you don't want it to be clumped up, and so just keep doing it until it's not clumped, because that's what the brush is for, to keep it from looking clumped up. Okay, so yeah, so just do that until it looks unclumped. Now this is what it looked like when I was finished. It's not perfect, but it actually did work, so let's look at the rest of the application. Okay ladies, I finally got this figured out. I only glued the front part of this when I put on my scarf, because I didn't need to glue it on the sides. But it's not doing the swoop bang thing that I wanted it to do, and it's also not fluffing up as much as I wanted it to fluff up, like the picture's all fluffed up. I just couldn't get her to stay fluffed up. But anyway, let me show you what she looks like close up. Here's the color. Okay, and here's the other side. And now let me show you the back. I still think she's really pretty. She's just not fluffing up the way I wanted to fluff up. Okay, so enough of that. If you guys are interested in Milo, I will have the information down in the description section. And again, I have the color TTL1B Red Burgundy. Another thing I wanted to mention to you guys is I am very excited about my lipstick. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It's a matte as well as a moisturized lipstick. So this matte that I'm wearing is from Black Radiance. Yeah, Black Radiance. It's called Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. And this color is Pretty Sexy. That's what it's called. I'm not saying it's Pretty Sexy, so that's the name of it. It's called Pretty Sexy. And so I put that on because it's a matte. So if you have dry lips, mattes are not always the best lipstick to wear. And so I always, if I get a matte, I like the matte because the matte kind of stays on better. But because it's a little bit drying, I always try to put some kind of a moisturizer on top of it. So I wanted to tell you guys about this moisturizer that I got from IL Makiage. And this moisturizer is the color Rave, R-A-V-E. And it's called Super Sheer Lip Color. And let me just tell you that when I was doing that whole IL Makiage Guess My Foundation thing with you guys, they were offering me some coupons. And one of the coupons allowed me to get this. And I just want to show you, this is what it looks like. It's just, you know, a lip color, and it has a little thing at the bottom that, you know, you can make it go up or down to like make it grow or whatever. This stuff is so moisturizing. I love this stuff because it's sheer, even though it has color, it's sheer. And I don't know, when I put it on, it just feels like Vaseline, but it's better. It's just very, very, very moisturizing. And I'm gonna put the information down in the description section for you on this one. I believe this is $22. It may be less, but I think that's what it is. And don't get all excited about it because trust me, I didn't have to pay the $22 for it, but I bet you a dime to a donut I'd pay it again now that I have it because I really do love this. It's just very, very moisturizing. I wear it with nothing, and it has, like I said, a sheer bit of color to it, but it's just very, very moisturizing. And you guys already know that I am loving the IL Makiage makeup that I actually got. You guys picked out 105 for me in the other foundation that they offer, but the one I ended up getting is called After Effects Next Gen, and it's a fuller coverage foundation. Again, it's called After Effects Next Gen. And it's also in 105, but I'm telling you guys, I love this foundation. It feels good. Once it kind of dries or oxidizes or whatever happens with it, it's just wonderful. I love it. The coverage is great. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. So anyway, I'm glad we took the test, even though I did end up with a different foundation that they have. It's still an IL Makiage foundation. But again, you guys have got to check out this. It's just, it feels really, really good on your lips, and I love it. And I don't know what other colors they have, but this one I got because I knew I was going to be wearing like pinkish type things. And this works really well with a matte, because once you put the matte on, and even though it feels drying, this is going to moisturize it up, okay? So just wanted to let you guys know that. There's a couple of other things that I wanted to mention to you guys. In the next month or two, I'm going to be in my new house. And in my new house, I have a new room, which is going to be my YouTube studio. And it's going to be decorated and all of that kind of thing. So I'm looking forward to showing that to you guys. And again, that's when I'm going to start doing my Wigs and Wisdom Wednesdays. So I'll be doing that for the first time in that house and sharing a lot of different things with you guys about skincare and just women's health over 50 and 60, even over 40. I've got some tips for you guys too as far as your skin is concerned. I started really, really young taking care of my skin, so I'm hoping that the younger ladies that subscribe to my channel are going to be listening as well, because I've got some tips for you guys that are going to help you to avoid some of the issues that some of us have as older women. So we're going to be talking about that when I start in the new house, probably August. Is when those are going to begin. Again, that's all coming starting in August, hopefully August, maybe September, depending on how the builders are going with our house. And I'm also going to do a vlog about the house too. I'm going to show you guys the house. I'm going to show you some of the decorations that I'm going to be doing, and maybe take you on some shopping trips and things like that. So we're going to have a really, really good time this fall and into the winter. So looking forward to that. So again, thank you guys who have already subscribed and have been with me forever. I really appreciate you guys. We're coming up on 4,000 and I'm really excited about that, but I'm more excited about the fact that you guys have been sticking with me and viewing my videos. That's really even more important than my subscribers, is having you guys viewing my videos and sharing them with other people, because that's what's really going to help me grow. So If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button and that notification bell and share my video with others. Tell your grandma, your mama, your auntie, your great grandma, whoever, that I am doing not only wig reviews for older women, but I'm doing skincare and I'm going to be doing some fashion hauls and just all kinds of things like that. And again, we're going to be talking wisdom, and a lot of the women that are going to be listening and commenting are going to also be able to help out, because everybody's got their own regimen or things that they do, and I'm going to be looking forward to sharing things with you guys and you guys sharing things back with me. So that's that. So thank you again for watching, and as I always say, ladies, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course so are you. See you next time.